Hey guys, welcome back. It's Sandra here. As you can see, we have a shopping vlog, not a vlog, a shopping haul for you guys today. I went to Sam's Club and I picked up a bunch of stuff, and also it's Super Bowl weekend, so I just thought I'd share with you what I got here. So we'll just start down here. Of course, I picked up some of this uncured Black Forest ham. My kids like it. I really don't eat sandwiches much, but they do. I picked up this chicken breast with some seasoning already for some food prepping. We got 2 of these orange juices that come together. As you can see, the little baby, she's trying to help. Huh, Petunia? You trying to help?
Help.
Yeah, I'm trying to help. I picked up this ground Colombian 100% Arabica coffee. I've never tried this, but it was on sale, so I thought I'd give it a try. So hopefully it's good. I also picked up 2 bags of these chicken thighs. I love getting my chicken from there because it's 6 pounds of individually. Yes, baby girl. With individually frozen chicken for only $10. It's like $9.98. So I think that's a good price. And in this household, we mostly eat chicken. So I got 2 bags of those, even though I still have 1 in my deep freezer. On this side, we got a 2-pack of the chunky salsa medium. I picked up some Crest toothpaste for the kids because I use my own toothpaste for me. So I got them that. We picked up 1 French vanilla. Gotta have my creamer for my coffee. Okay, Brianna. Okay, she's like talking to you guys down here, but she's pointing at some chicken. We're gonna give these Morningstar Farms chicken veggie burger chipotle black bean patties a try. I've never tried those before, but they seem pretty interesting, so I thought I'd give them a shot. What do we got also? We also got 2 things of milk for the kiddos for their cereal or for their hot chocolate, you know, things like that. I picked up, since I got in charge of chips and soda for Super Bowl party, I picked up 1 of the party packs. Thought that was good since it comes with a variety already. I picked up this ground turkey. It comes with 2 packs of them, and they were $10 for both of them, so pretty much like $5 each. I thought that was a steal. Got this for my food prepping as well. I picked up this red cheddar meat, and this was a $16 for this pack right here. So that is some good stuff. So I got that. Picked up 2 packs of these avocados. Even though they're not ready to eat right now, we are gonna have to put them wrapped up in some paper bags to make them ready because I love me some avocados. Picked up some bananas. Yes, I know these are green, but I have like 4 or 5 of them sitting on my counter that are ready to eat. So these will be ready to eat in like a day or 2. I mean like 2 or 3 days. Moving on. So I picked up 2 packs of the asparaguses. These are so good. I love asparagus, especially with my dinner or lunches. So I had to pick up 2 of those. I picked up these glass food storage set. It's a 24-piece, and it has all of those containers. So I thought this was a good deal for only 20 bucks. They were on sale. So it says that they're leak proof and all of that, and they save space. And they are freezer and fridge safe, microwave safe, oven safe, without the lid, of course, or else your lid is gonna melt, and dishwasher safe as well. So that is a steal. We also picked up some Hot Pockets. Surprisingly, these were on sale for only $8. So the kids like to have those for breakfast in the morning when we have school. Load up a Hot Pocket in the microwave, let it heat up, let's go, done. Oh, we also picked up some Mott's. My kids love Mott's. If I try to get them like any other type of gummies, they will not eat them. Like, they hate it. So who else, kids, love only Mott's? Moving on to these. We got the makeup eraser. This is a steal. The regular prices was $20, but they had this on sale for only $8 and some change, what I thought was pretty awesome. So I got that because I was like, can't pass that deal up. And as you see, it says erases all the makeup with just water. So I've never had one, so I'm curious to see if it really, really works and not freaking all the beauty gurus lying about it. So let's pray it really does. And of course, I had to pick up my flaming hot nacho Doritos. You know, guys, put my Backstreet Boys since they were all the ones that make the commercial for the new flaming hot Doritos because they're flaming hot just like them. So I picked up some of these for my kids. They wanted to try them, so we got those. And for the Super Bowl party, I picked up these original Ruffles, regular Doritos, lemon Lay's, my son's favorite, and some Tostitos scoops. So that's everything for my haul. Am I right? Yes, I am. So that is everything that we picked up for the haul, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. And let me know, are you guys a Samsung shop, a Samsung, what the heck? A Sam's Club shopper or a Costco shopper? I shop at both, but I find myself more at Sam's Club. So yeah, I want to know what you guys are. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing before leaving this video today. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.